we'll be making smoked salmon and cream cheese on rye bread. These are stacked up, that isn't one piece. And we're ready with the garnish. This is chives, and of course you bundle them together and snip off the ends with scissors to get that. This is to get a pretty shape. People always worry about the leftovers, Roger.
Bin.
We're actually very ingenious at finding ways to use leftovers. We've got the smoked salmon at the ready. I'm getting questions of whether smoked salmon is cooked or raw. Both and neither. It is cured by a smoking process. It is perfectly safe and utterly delicious. And we've got the cream cheese waiting in a piping bag here. Quite a few of these to prepare, so we'll do them in batches. So each little round will have a generous amount of smoked salmon on the top. And these are really a delightful canapé, make a change from a straightforward sandwich. Everyone's going to have a very nice canapé here. So some stick, some don't, but we'll pick those up and perhaps use them on the next one. Got a fish-shaped plate here to give people a hint. So this is a Philadelphia cream cheese.
Full fat.
Full fat. Did you have to beat it up before you put it in the piping bag? No?
Straight out of it.
Tub.
Tin.
Tub. So this smoked salmon arrived sliced already, didn't it?
This did, yes.
But if it didn't, I know you have a smoked salmon knife for cutting it.
Yes.
Oop. That little one's arguing with you. Sorted. Chive garnish. And then move them over to the fish-shaped dish. There's a couple of little lemon garnishes. Lemon cut on the wall and a tiny bit of rosemary added in. Pretty, Roger. Pretty delicious.